Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download Facebook videos easily for Android or iOS. So let's begin. So here we are in Facebook, and as you can see we have cat videos right here. So just for an example, we will be using cat videos here to download. So from here, let's say this one, we want to download this video right here. So we want to tap on it, and from here tap again until you see the share button. So tap on the share button, and then from here you want to make sure that you have the copy link. Tap on the copy link, or you might need to slide down a bit until you see the copy link option right here. And once you have successfully copied the link, all you have to do is go into your browser right here, for example in my Google Chrome, and from here you have to paste the link right here. So when you paste it, it will be like this right here. So as you can see, here it is. But for this one, what we're gonna do is that we are gonna modify this. Since this is the link right here, let's go and copy the link right here, and we're gonna go and edit the link right here. So edit the link, and we want to scroll until the beginning because we will need to change the beginning of this link right here. So let's go. It's a long URL right here, so it's taking quite some time right here, and here it is. So now what we're gonna have to do is here, as you can see, there is an m.facebook.com, and what we want to do is add basic. So it will be mbasic.facebook.com, and you want to go to that website, and from here you will be prompted into a basic mode of Facebook, and what you want to need to do is tap on the video right here, and then you wanna just simply go and hold, and you can see the download video option right here, and you wanna tap on download video, and now your video will be downloading and you will be able to see it in your gallery. And yeah, and actually in Android you don't really need to put the basic mbasic.facebook.com, but I just did that. I showed you that for example because in case you might need it if it's not working without the basic here in the URL, then you can try it out, especially for iOS. And yeah, that's basically for this video. I hope this video helped you out.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.